In front of me is OPPO Reno 13FS, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Start by opening settings and tapping on connection and sharing right away. Now hit print. Finally, you can either tap on default print service or hit add print service and download the best one for you. It will appear here, and after tapping on it, you'll be able to enable it the same way as default one. So wherever you decided, tap on your service and make sure this switcher is blue. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Don't worry, I tested it before multiple times and I can assure you it works. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!